Okay. Hello YouTube, it is Ronnie508 again, and before I do anything, I am turning this down. This last episode, it was very, very loud. And today's episode, we're going to do something a little bit different. We are going to survive the entire night and try to make our way back home. Yeah, this was kind of fun, hopefully. And yeah, so let's get back. So let's see, the sun's setting over there. You still kind of see where the sun had set. So we're going to try to make our way back home without being eaten alive. So let's just climb down the vines and start making our way back home. And I'm getting a lot of lag, actually. I'm not getting enough of you. I must have seen an Xbox one time, feeling confident with only an iron chest plate and definitely totally outmatched me. There's two in there now. There's skeleton. It'll kill you. I can't see. Too much lag. Okay, it was lagging too much. Okay, so I'm gonna make our way back home. It's kinda cool doing an episode at night. It's my first time doing it all series. Okay, so we're gonna make our way back home and make sure no mobs enter the house. Because I will be working on it off camera some more. Probably after this episode, when we get back. Anyway, yeah, this should be kind of fun. These are paths. Are these always like randomly generated? Because they look like they're kind of, villages passes. So I'm getting a lot less lag now, which is very good. So, yes, we crossed this river. And I turned the sound down because I know this last episode it was way too loud. I mean, you could barely even hear me speak. And I apologize for that. Hopefully this isn't low enough for you guys, this episode. So, yeah, hopefully, ooh, it's gonna be tough. Come at me, bro. 2, 3. Okay, I'm running. Oh, jeez. We're gonna go. Oh, this is like the worst idea ever. Oh, no. I'm getting shot at. I don't have my pop tops on my hotbar. I'm gonna die. Oh no. Okay, I see the house, but what's the point? I'm going to the village. We're going back to the village, guys. We're going to the village. Okay, is there anything after me? Hey. Okay, we're going to the village. Are you coming? Yeah, we're going to the village because it is actually this trash like a good sleep fish. Oh no, I won't let you sleep. I'm going to tell you that because it's fun. Let's look up. That was scary for a moment. But, the creeper. Of course, I have to bring the creeper into all this. So, let's slay you first. Is there anything else? Okay, no. And the creeper, I think, is the only one that's going to stop me from... Blow up. Do it. Just... Do it now. Some damage. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, those two won't always let me sleep. Even with that skeleton. It does let me sleep. Wow. Come on. Okay. Ha. You guys burn, but I still don't want you to hit me. You burn. Oh. You burn, skeleton. You burn. Oh. Okay. Whew. Man, that was scary stuff. Oh, man, this is good. 2. Yes. Okay, so I did say that we would survive the night. So, it's night again, and let's kick it into gear. Come on, mobs. Whoa, that's glitched. Okay. Some adding glitches over there. This is a lot of it. I'm gonna put skeletons. Is it wrong? So potentially. Yep. I wish I could just go over there and be brave. And kill Enderman. But we have no Ender pearls. And that's the only thing I like about this. Oh, we also can't use our iron to get an iron sword. So yeah. It's flying in here. So bright. Is this grass glowing? Yeah, this is weird. Yeah, go away. Okay, I'd like to get a dog eventually. Sometimes this will blow up when they fall, so. Ooh, some tulips. Ooh, a carrot. We got a carrot for that. Or skeletons. We need skeletons. How many bones we got? 9. Oh no. That ain't good. Light up the fire. Yeah, you guys don't have the right to kill me. You have to lure up that creeper. Come on, creeps. Spawns. You don't scare me, Spawns. The creeper that does. Come on, creeps. Oh, it's too high. Okay. Like, as in, like, 2 blocks high. Come on, you could be able to you could jump that. Creepers can't jump? I didn't know that. Yes, they can, only if he's too stupid of a creeper to know. Okay. Yes. Killed the creeper. And it is now daybreak. Hooray, we survived a night. Yes, Enderman. I survived. Ooh, that was close. I survived. I want to kill you so bad. I'm gonna die. I know I am. I'll do it when I'm up. Ooh, bone. Skeleton. Okay, since it is now getting morning, I'll kill the skeleton. Well, nothing. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this special episode. It was different, and I actually kind of enjoyed it. I should do some more of these sometime. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed, and see you all next time. Bye.